Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pratilipi app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Pratilipi and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.